Have you ever been pranked on? If yes, then maybe it's time to take revenge and pull off the biggest pranks on your friends. But it's 2022 and you need to level up your pranking skills. So here we are with 6 hilarious pranking apps and pranks that you can try this April Fool's Day or maybe any other just fine day when you are in a mood to irritate someone and have a good laugh. But just note here, as we mentioned in the description below, that you should be very cautious while using these pranks because it may harass, harm or offend someone. These apps are just made for entertainment purposes only and should be used in a light-hearted manner. Number 1, fake call. Now with this you can create real looking fake WhatsApp chats. Just upload a real WhatsApp image of the person you want to have a fake conversation with, add their name and type the message from both the sides and save it. Then share this fake chat with your friends on WhatsApp and they will easily believe that this is a real chat. You can also create fake messenger chats, chat notifications and even fake calls. And if you are stuck in an awkward situation, then a fake call will definitely come for your rescue. You can set a timer and get a fake call with the name of the person you want the call from to fool your friends. Second, Here on Screen. Just install the Here on Screen extension on your friend's browser or download the Here on Your Screen prank app on your friend's Android phone. Now this places a small thin line on your display, making you feel like there's a strand of hair on your screen. You can even increase the hair count to make them feel annoying. Third, text replacement. Now this one is definitely going to make your friends drive crazy. If they own an iPhone, then go to settings and search for text replacement feature. Now replace some words with each other like you with us, why with how or anything else you like. So whenever they type the word you, it will automatically replace with us and they won't be able to understand what's wrong with their phone. Fourth, contact swap. Now this prank is a bit of an evil one and your friends might unfriend you after this. If you have access to their phone, then simply swap the contact names of people in their phone to play the biggest prank ever. Also, this might land your friend in some serious trouble, so be a little cautious while pranking them. Fifth, Fart Cushion. This is a hilarious app and definitely one of the funniest pranks. Just press on different parts of the fart cushion and it will trigger a different fart sound every time. You can also set a timer for the noise to go off at a specific time or set the sensitivity to the maximum sound. You can even increase the distance so it will sound as if someone else in the room is farting while your phone is hidden behind your pocket. And lastly, Fake Post Creator. Now this app lets you create fake Facebook posts and add fake likes and comments. You can create a fake viral post where a celebrity commented or some other fake scenario to fool people. You don't need to log into your Facebook account or link the app to it to create these fake posts. So don't worry that you will accidentally post them on your actual social media. Do let me know in the comment section below which is your favorite prank from this list. Mine is definitely the fake WhatsApp chat one. And if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and share this video with your partner in crime. Have a safe and happy April Fool's Day, everyone.